welcome back to Jamrock Treats. Today we're making Jamaican strong back, and these are all the things that you'll need for this recipe. All the ingredients will be listed below. This is gluten-free, it's egg-free, and most importantly, it's delicious. So some of these you may have laying around the house, some of them you may have to go to get. So we're going to start off by adding all your nuts and seeds to your blender, or you could add this to a bowl. Once you add that, you add about a cup of water or just enough water to allow them to soak. Set that aside, and then we're going to start to work on our homemade Irish moss. We're just going to go ahead and wash this off nice and clean, and once it's washed nice and clean, then we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of extra cleaning. Now if you got this straight from the market, you're going to have to clean it up a little bit more, but guess what, natural is better. Once you wash it, it will start to soften up from that very hard texture that it has when it's dry. Once it's washed, add some hot filtered water, boiled water, but don't add water straight from the top because we want to maintain how alkaline the Irish moss is. Cover it up, set aside. Once that's soaked, you add it to your blender, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. Once we get all our Irish moss done, and I'll do a new video for the Irish moss, we're going to add all our ingredients to the blender. Plantains, add about a quarter cup of vanilla, add fresh grated nutmeg, it makes a difference. Add your Seamoss. Then we're gonna blend all of these. So you have two blending just to get a nice texture. Once it's finished blending, we're gonna add the Guinness, we're gonna add our rum cream, and this is where you also add your condensed milk. Once that's done, lock up your blender, blend again for at least a minute until it gets to the texture you're looking for. Once you finish blending, this is the consistency. Look at that, nice, thick, creamy and smooth. So you can serve this over ice, or you can just allow it to chill in the fridge and just enjoy. So guys, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how this recipe works out for you. Cheers, enjoy.